afternoon. Kindly introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Josephine Rodriguez Lusada. I am 30 years old. I am single. I live in Lawang Bato, Valenzuela City. I have 2 sisters. I am the youngest of the family, ma'am.
Did you go to college?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your course?
I take Bachelor of Secondary Education.
Are you a graduate?
Yes, ma'am.
It is a 2-year course or 4-year course?
4 years course, ma'am.
How long did you take that course?
4 years course, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any kids?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any experience in working abroad before as domestic helper?
No, ma'am.
How about here in the Philippines? Do you have?
Yes, ma'am. My employer's name, Marites Opiala. They are 3 members in the family, 1 kid and 1 couple.
What is the age of the kid?
5 years old, ma'am.
Okay. How long did you stay in that family?
I am stay turning 2 years, ma'am.
What year did you started?
2012 November.
So
ma'am.
from until now, you're staying with them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is your main duties in your in your employer? Your duties, main duties.
My main duty is taking care of the child, ma'am. Doing household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, gardening, and take care of the pet.
Do the kids go to school already?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you send the kid to the school?
Yes, ma'am. Every morning.
Okay. They have pets.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of pets?
Dog.
How many?
1 only.
Okay. So you can take care of a dog.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save more money. I want to help my families, especially in my nephews in schooling.
Okay. Do you have any special skills?
Yes, ma'am. Gardening.
Like gardening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby has a fever?
I will check the temperature, and then I will inform immediately to my employer, and then ask what should I do, ma'am.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me an example?
A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Boys and girls can sing with me. Please come sing with ABC.
Okay, that's good. So you're not afraid of any kinds of pet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am hardworking, honest, patient, and dedicated to my work.
If you were given a chance to work in Hong Kong, how can you control your homesick?
I will keep myself busy and I will focus to my work, ma'am.
What kind of employer are you looking for?
I look for employer like nice, kind, and understanding that I am a new in their family.
Okay. Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Hi, ma'am, sir. Please select me as one of your helper. I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities so that you will not regret in hired me. I will follow and obey your rules and regulations. I will take care of your family, especially for your kids. And I will promise to finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you, ma'am, sir. Have a nice day. God bless.